Hello guys, so I just want to share a strategy that I've been using for a very long time now. This strategy is very simple, and trust me, you really do not need any other thing apart from this strategy. You just have to stick to this one strategy. Stop looking around and stop doing other things that are not working. So I just want you to listen to what I have to say and follow this strategy, test it and see it work out for you. So this strategy is very simple. First of all, let me take my parts. So now you want to be looking at the daily, there's the weekly, daily, and the 4 hours. Majorly I look at the 4 hour more. So this is what you will be looking for at first. You will see a trend that is going this way. Come like this. Just observe what I'm doing. Okay. So this is a trend that is going on. So how do you catch this move? How do you trade from this move that is going on? Now on the 4 hour time frame, you will always see an order block around this area, something like this, order block around here. Now you will not just see another block and just blindly enter into the trade. So what you will be looking for is a sweep of liquidity. So what do I mean? What I mean is this: you want to see a trend, an upward movement, for example, that comes like this. Now, before the trade, we pull back to that other block. Let's say, for example, let me put this here. Let's assume this is my other block. Now, you want to see the trade leave, try to pull up an inducement, then the trade will rapidly tap into the other block, then move back up. So this strategy is very simple. You just try to understand what I'm trying to do. Most of the time, sometimes the trade we put into the other block. Let's say, for example, this is sorry, let me clean this up. Okay, let's assume let me come this way. Trade will do something like this. You see, this is the trend. This is a macro, and now you see the trade coming, the pullback coming. Then grab all the liquidity around there and then move up. So this is where the other block is. You will see how the pullback swept all these inducements, which is a form of liquidity, swept it, then move up. So let me show you what I'm talking about on the chart. So let's move to the 4 hours. Let me show you something. I want to use one as an example. Let's use this area for example. So now you see this, what I usually do is when I see the market pull it back like making a trend this way, I usually mark the, if it's a downtrend, I usually mark the last green candle before the break of that structure. As you can see, this is the last green candle before the break of the structure. This is the last green candle before the break of the structure. So likewise in this case, this one now is moving up. So this is the, for example, this is the last red candle before this move. But you see how this candle come and take all this before tapping into this other block. See? Likewise, see here. This is the last red candle before this move. So you put it here. So now, how do you trade this opportunity? Let's take this for example. On a normal note, you will not be able to. Okay, you should be able to catch this move. But if you, maybe you are not aware of this move, this is another opportunity for you. So let's take this one as an example. Now I'm going to replay, cut this part out so that's so let's take this one out. Alright, so if I go to the 1 hour, so now watch the area. Now this is the whole of the other block on the 4 hours. Look, just watch how inducement was formed at this area. Look all these inducements in this area. Now watch how rapidly the 1 hour candle swept all this liquidity. You see? even if you enter the trade from here, I usually wait for a week. So a week of that sweep. A candle like this will not be a good idea, a good entry point. So I usually wait for a week like this or something like this. So probably I would have entered this trade from here, put my stop loss above this here, then target this low. Right see. So if you play this out, you already know the result of how this will go. So this strategy is very simple, and if you master it, trust me, you will take your trading career to the next level. So you see, this is how this TP was hit. So now, if you go to the 4 hours again, let's watch another. Let's see how it goes. Very simple strategy. All you just need to do, go to the 4 hours, look for where a trend is going on. Remember, always follow the trend. So now, here's the 4 hours. So now we have, okay, this level did not break. That's a little weak. So this level would have been a perfect entry to the upside of this trade. As you can see, from this level, the trade took out this week. You see, took out this week and then rallied up. So let me play this out. Now you may be asking, so why didn't I enter from this other block? As you can see, this other block, this particular movement did not break this structure. You only kind of swept liquidity here and moved to the upside. So this gray candle would have not sold. So always wait for another block that breaks structure. So you see, now let's move on. Let me keep going. Okay, watch this. So now you see this other block. If I should go to the 1 hour, you will see a lot of inducements. Okay, so this is an inducement. This form of liquidity. This is another inducement. Form of liquidity. Now look how rapidly this trade came. Swept it up. Now look at this week. Remember, I always enter when I have a nice great week. This is it. Enter from that level. Stop loss will just be below here. Don't want to take it now. So then let's put our take profit just in between this other block here. Now remember, when you are trading, the moment you get to a particular level, always try to break even. Let's say for example now, for me, my trade will have been on a break even already when I'm on this level, because I don't want a situation whereby I'm already halfway to my trade and come back and stop me out. So I'll prefer break even and let it ride. Let it move on. So play. Let's play. Let's see. Okay. Left for me alone. I will have taken my profit because, as you can see, because there is a form of an order block in this area here. If I move to the 4 hours, you will get the idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, so as you can see, this whole level here would have been an order block for me, because this level would break this structure here. So this level would have been another block. So if you move to the 1 hour, you see how this level was forming inducement in this area. So probably I would have missed this trade because the inducement form along the way was not much. I usually look for at least 2 inducements, which is liquidity that needed to be grabbed, then a week of that liquidity before I make my entry. So let's place this. If I have a week above this area, then I'll enter the trade, or if not, I would have taken my profit and move on. So let's move to the 4 hours. Let's check it out. Okay, so now watch this. This would have been a good trade yet because this level did not break the structure. So let me just play it and see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see, this level has now be broken. So here will be my order block next. I think this should be my order block area. Let's see. Okay, this one was mitigated, so I should be looking for something in this regard, whether this level was weak. So for me, this is what I would do. I would consider this an order block here because this is a level, and the level was very swept by liquidity, so there's a probability that this trade will move up from here. So the best thing to do is to wait and see how the trade will react to that level. So let's see. Okay, tap it to the other block, move away. Okay, alright. So let me see this. This is one. Let me see how it goes. If I should move to the 1 hour, let's see. Now, let me move to the 1 hour. Let's see. See, there was no liquidity that was grabbed around here, so this trade would have been invalid. Now, let's move to this area that I've marked. You see, this was liquidity that was formed. Liquidity that was formed here. And see how this place was swept. Fairly to close above the other block. So this could have been a nice entry before you get to this level. Let's see. Though you can put it just below that level. Yeah. So now we have another. If we look at it, you have another other block at this point. Let's see. Sorry guys. Okay. So now this structure has been broken. This level become my this level become my other block. The right corner become my other block. Tap in. Okay. Let's see how that plays out. Let's see on the 1 hour. This is the level. Let me push this to the other side. Okay. Now watch how this make an inducement in this environment. There is another inducement. Watch how it came, swept it to weak. Then this could have been a nice entry. Just stop loss just below this area. Remember, if you have done this, let's say for example you put your level for any major level here, okay, this is a nice area where the market may likely could have grabbed liquidity. So just put it above that area, for example. Just say for example. Now this could have been on hold, then immediately you tap into this level, you could have put your trade on break even. Then when this opportunity came to enter on that trade, this could have been an added position to this trade. You understand? So that is how I trade my trade every day. As you can see, I mark all the level just like that. From then I grab all the opportunity following the trend. As you can see, from this level now we are following the trend up, until there is a change. So how do you know when the market is going to make a change? Now, if you look at this level, let's say for example, okay, so now this is kind of a major level, and the market is coming to that level. So what you will be looking for, you will be looking for a sweep of any level here, sweep. Then you wait until the market make. Let me show you something. So the market will come down, retrace, break that level. Then the next retracement is where you look for the other block to trade to the downside. That's where you look to trade to the downside, because here would have been a liquidity sweep. Sorry, this area would have been a liquidity sweep in this area. Just like for this example here, I refuse to take the trade moving downward from this other block because I saw there was a liquidity sweep in this environment. So I waited for the trade to go, break this level, from another other block, came back to it. This was the trade I took. So could have extended it to this level and started adding on the trade when I see any other block. So that is how I trade. Please subscribe, like, and follow. I'll be dropping all the analysis of my trade every day on this YouTube channel. I'm just starting this channel, so do support. I believe you have a lot to give from this. Whenever I have a trade, I'm analyzing that I've potentially going to trade, I will make the analysis and post it on my YouTube channel for you all to see and follow along. So thank you. I hope this helped. See you in another video.